Hello everyone, my name is Dipen and I'm one of the many fortunate people to have met Shakti Payal Goda in my life. I happened to meet her in my office where she conducted one of her free self-love sessions, and after that I consciously decided to have a personal sessions with her, just to for the sole purpose of improving my own life. And I think for me the UDEMY course which she provides, the sessions that she has on UDEMY, that's an amazing self-help tool that she has come up with. So first of all, congratulations to her for that. That has been of real help to me, and I'm happy to share that it was my conscious effort to carry out 100 days of daily sessions, specifically the self-love and the new transform view. So these two sessions I practiced continuously for 100 days on a daily basis, and I think it really over time it showed the changes within my own self. And moving forward, just to test myself again, I disconnected for about a month, not doing any of these trainings or the sessions, and I could see that I was again going back to where I had started. So I think for me it's a good conclusion that definitely these sessions are not just for a few months, few weeks, but it's a constant practice to help my own self improvise on a daily basis and achieve the goals and objectives that I have set for in my life. So yeah, I as of now I am practicing the UDEMY sessions, which is the self-love and the new transform view sessions on at least 2 to 3 times in a week. And what I love about I think what Shakti Payal Goda has to offer is that there's somebody who is there to listen to you and giving you an opportunity to express yourself, your problems, and along with that providing solutions with an open mind, and in addition to understanding the law of universe, which is really a great tool if you believe so, a great law if you believe so, and how we can use it for our own benefit. So the changes that I see once I've been, over time, it's been about, it'll be almost a year or so since I've been practicing these things. It's that the frustrations within me have reduced a lot. I am consciously trying to, make sure that I do not react, but I respond to the negativities that comes to me. See, another great tool which I have been using is the golden bubble tool, which makes where you are made to believe that there is a constant layer of protection around you, and that does help you, that protects you from all the negativities in and around you. So that's another wonderful tool which I have also been using. And finally, why I would recommend Shakti Payal Goda sessions is because Payal ji is a wonderful and a blessed soul who has taken up a noble cause of bringing out the hidden potential or the Shakti within each one of us. So our determination along with her techniques would definitely be the way forward to bring about the changes that we want to see in our lives. So once again, I am grateful and thankful to Payal ji for your blessings upon me, and thank you very much.